each birthstone is traditionally associated with various qualities that symbolize the month of birth in the Gregorian calendar. If born in February, the amethyst has become the most conventionally accepted birthstone. The name amethyst is derived from the ancient Greek amethystos, which translates to not intoxicated. As strange as it sounds, it was believed that the stone could protect its owner from drunkenness and intoxication. The amethyst, a violet variety of quartz, gets its color from both irradiation and iron impurities. Occurring in primary hues from a light pink violet to a deep purple, it also takes on secondary coloring of either red or blue. The ideal grade amethyst is the deep Siberian, a balanced mixture of primary purple and displaying both secondary hues of red and blue. The hardness of the mineral is the same as most quartz, making it suitable for use in jewelry. So head to the National Jewelry Liquidation Center and find your perfect piece of violet jewelry, amethyst lovers.